In this video, I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to do product photography, even in a home studio, using the brand new light from Manbily. Let's get straight into it. So if you've ever done any product photography, even if you're only selling on eBay, you know how hard it is to get the lighting correct on your product. If you rely on natural light, then you're in the hands of the weather gods. And then if you try to light your product using home lighting solutions, that can come with a whole host of problems, including hot spots, light flickering, colour temperature variance, and this can really make your product look naff. Now at this point, many people believe that they need to buy a new camera, but what you really need is a professional lighting solution. And this is where this new product from Manbily comes in. This is a CFL-200Bi Cob LED Professional Studio Light. And this is really going to help us out with our product photography. Now this light comes with a CRI score of 97, which basically means it kicks ass at reproducing natural light colours. Its body is made from aluminium alloy and its two ends are made from toughened plastic. On the rear of the light we get two dials, one to control brightness and one to control our colour temperature. On the front of the light it comes with the industry standard Bowens mount, and it also comes supplied with a beauty dish. Now whilst I'm going to show you how to do home product photography with this light, it's worth noting with its 200 watt output that this light has many purposes. It can be used for portrait photography, video work, stage performances, vlogging, podcasts, etc. But like I say, I'm going to be showing you how to do product photography using this light in the world's smallest dining room. Yes, this doubles up as my studio. So we're going to need a light stand, and then I'm going to be mounting a softbox onto our light and then placing the light directly above the dining room table. Set this up, this takes literally a couple of minutes and I'm ready to go. We've now got total control over the light, its brightness and colour temperature, and it's going to make our product look absolutely fantastic. Now if you're wondering how do you control the light when it's out of reach, well Manbily have you covered. It comes with an app that allows you to take total control over all of its functions. So now we have our light set up, which was very easy to do. Let's put a product in front of the camera and see how it looks. And because of that CRI score of 97, it instantly makes our product look absolutely fantastic. The lighting looks very natural and consistent, and we don't get any of them issues related to using home lighting solutions. Bear in mind also we're using the tabletop and wallpaper as our backdrop, but this can be improved upon by going down to the local hobbycraft store and buying various colours of rolled paper, which costs roughly £2 per roll. This way we lose the shadow between the table and the wall, and now our backdrop becomes very consistent and less distracting. And if you're wondering what I'm holding this roll of paper up with, I'm using two mic stands with a piece of string tied between them. Right, let's get the product back in place and zoom in a little bit. And damn, that is looking absolutely fantastic. With the backdrop and the light doing all our heavy lifting, we can literally now use a mobile phone camera to take a picture of our product and it would still look excellent. Right, I think it's time to get a little bit creative with our pack of playing cards that we're trying to sell. Let's really go to town using this light and get the best possible look that we can from our product. With the light giving consistent power, we can really take our time getting our product photography right and making it look absolutely fantastic. We can also change our backdrop colour to a different colour of our liking, and depending on your photo editing skills, you can now take your product photo into Photoshop and really go to work with it. As my photography teacher once taught me, if you get the lighting right, the photo will take care of itself. all this being done in a 1-bedroom apartment in the world's smallest dining room. So how much does this Manbily light cost? Well, usually professional standard lighting costs an absolute fortune, but again Manbily have you covered. For this Manbily CFL-200Bi Cob LED video light, it comes in at only 158 UK pounds, and that's including the transformer, the app, the beauty dish and the lens cover, which is absolutely incredible value for money. So you don't need a better camera. What you need to do is invest in this Manbily CFL-200 professional studio light, and then watch as your video and photography skills go to the next level. I'll leave links to this very light in the description and in the top pinned comment. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. But that's going to wrap up this video. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see further videos from myself, consider hitting that subscribe button and we'll catch up in that next video. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.